can you type on a computer? If you can make $200 to $800 per day without actually being a writer. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video I will show you, first of all, free sites that will pay you to type or write, and then I will show you 2 hacks that will actually make you much more money that you could ever imagine. I'm talking about between $200 and $800 per day, and you don't have to be a writer. So obviously if you are a professional writer, you're gonna make a ton of money, but you don't have to be, because with my hacks it's super easy to make money for simply typing up something or writing, and you don't have to be a professional. You can do this method for free and make a ton of cash doing so, okay? But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I actually know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video. And also check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and the rest is just free downloads and free signups for a bunch of different resources. Everything about making money online and working from home. Alright, so let's just jump into the content of this video. The site that you're going to be using, and this is the first site, is textbroker.com. So essentially you will become a writer and you're gonna get paid for it. And in a second I'm going to show you all of the hacks that I'm talking about. Right, so as you can see, it says get custom content. It's fast, affordable, and scalable. So this is for the companies that will go to Textbroker and they will hire you. Right, so as you can see, they work with Yoast, with Staples, with eBay, you know, 1&1, all these big companies, so you know that this is legit. All right, so Textbroker brings clients and authors together. No other article writing service makes buying content this quick and simple. So it's, you know, super simple both for these companies and for you. So you know, you can go through all of this. Obviously the basic idea is you are a writer, they are a broker, and they're gonna connect you with people that will actually pay you for your writing. And again, keep in mind, you don't have to be a professional writer. You can do this in a super simple way, and in a second I'm going to show you how. So let's just investigate a little bit further. You can click on I write content right here, and you know, you have all the information about payments, how it works, the star rating and profiles, why write for Textbroker, the sign up article, etc. So before you're actually gonna start working with them, you're gonna have to do the sign up article, which means that you're gonna have to type it up something and they will rate you, and this way they will know how much they will pay you. All right, so let me just bring up this screen. So obviously, you know, there are different quality of writers. So if you're gonna be a 5-star quality writer, you're gonna make 5 cents per word. If you're gonna be a 4-star quality, you're gonna make 1 cents per word. And even if you're just a 2-star quality writer, which is pretty bad writer, you're gonna make 0.7 cents per word. So first of all, you don't have to be perfect, but the better you are, the more money you're making. So they're actually rewarding you for being better. And as you can see, minimum, you're gonna make 1.78 cents per word. And they have different options like open order, direct order, team order, etc. Okay, so an average pay of a 4-star author, as you can see, is 1.4 cents per word, or 3 to 5 cents per word with a direct order, or 2 to 5 cents per word with a team order. And they have a little calculator here. So let's say, you know, for a 2-star quality, if you're gonna type up like 5,000 words per day, you're gonna make $35. But if you are a 5-star, you're gonna make $250. And you know, essentially writing 5,000 words from scratch is pretty brutal. But again, stick with me until the end of this video. I'm gonna show you all the hacks that makes this super easy. Right, so as you can see, if you're gonna type up 12,000 words, you're gonna make $600 in a day if you are at 5 stars. And obviously you don't have to, you can use different online tools to make sure that your grammar and everything else is correct. Okay, so there's a ton of money to be made with this. So you know, if you know how to write, perfect, but you don't have to, you know, you can use online tools to make sure that your whatever you're submitting is perfect. Right, so as you can see, it says why write for a text broker. It's free of charge, flexible time management, and reliable payment. You can read more. You know, all in all, a great site, and this is the #1 site, and I believe this site will only work for United States, so you actually have to be a United States citizen. That's why I also have a couple of alternatives for you. Okay, so text broker, the #1 site, they will pay you a lot of money, but you have an alternative, an iWriter. So iWriter, exactly the same idea. They also have a star rating. So again, this works in the same exact way. You know, companies go to iWriter, they hire you via this site, and you know, they pay you. So you have standard articles, premium articles, elite plus articles. So this is exactly like the star rating with the previous site. And you can sign up right here where it says write content. As you can see, it says you can build your own client base. You can earn up to $80 per 500 words once promoted up the ranks. You can write as much or as little as you want each and every single day, and you can choose topics that best match your background. So you can actually write about something that you enjoy. All right, so iWriter.com is the second site, and the third one is actually how I got started, and I was doing this exact thing to make money online back in 2012 now. So Fiverr.com, this is another site, and this is for anyone in the world. You know, I know guys from India, I know guys from like all around the world that do this. They have a writing and translation category. So as you can see, you can write resumes and cover letters, product descriptions, website content, technical writing, proofreading, and editing. So even if you don't want to write, you can get paid for proofreading and editing, translation, creative writing, research and summaries, articles and blog posts, sales copy, press releases, transcription, legal writing, email copy, business name and slogans, and others. So what I was doing, I was doing articles and blog posts, and also emails and some creative writing as well. Website content is always good. So essentially, you know, they are actually, let me bring up one of these right here. And you know, Fiverr, some people think about, you know, making $5 a pop with Fiverr. That's not the case. As you can see, you have a lot of premium writers right here. So 147 euro here, 100 euro here, 92, 27, 32, 46. So you can make a ton of cash with Fiverr. $5 is just the starting point. So you know, $5 is for like 100 words. So if you're gonna write 1,000, that's at least $50. If you're gonna write 5,000, that's much more. And obviously, the better writer you are, the better feedback you have here from your customers, the more money you'll make. And the hack that I was using, so let's say, you know, I had my Fiverr gig and I got a request to write an article about cats, right? I don't know anything about cats. I don't have a cat. So what I was doing, I was going to ezinearticles.com and I was finding a similar article to whatever the person that hired me wanted. So, you know, you can search right here, cats, you know, we're gonna do a little search, and this will bring up a ton of different articles. You know, all of these, as you can see, they have 2,000 pages, and this is like 20 articles per page. So you can pick an article that it's sort of what your client wants delivered, you know, in terms of words, in terms of what is it exactly about. So mythology of a cat, microchipping, cat flap, you know, I don't know, even know what it means, raw cat food, how to identify a neglected cat, you know, whatever. Is your cat overweight? So, you know, let's just grab this one. You know, as you can see, this is the text. So, you know, you can grab all of it or some of it, or, you know, whatever. Let's just grab a little bit of this text and let me show you what I was doing. All right, so I was going to free article spinner. So I was not actually writing, I was rewriting it, but even for the rewriting part I was using a piece of software which is free. So let's just paste this in. Let's take it right here and let's do the output text. We're gonna spin it. As you can see, it takes like a couple of seconds. So you know, right now you have an original text. So obviously you cannot just go to using articles, copy and paste it, but you can spin this text, you can copy this, and this is 100% fine. Obviously you're gonna have to go through it and see if it makes sense, because these automated spinners not always work. But you know, instead of writing something from scratch, you just have to grab someone else's article, rewrite it with a tool that does it for you, and just sort of edit it, so proofread it. This will take you a couple of minutes and you will actually get paid for writing the article from scratch. So you know, as long as the text is original, and it will be because it's all spinned, it's almost brand new, you just have to go through it, you know, see if it makes sense, and you're good to go. So that's exactly what I was doing. I was making thousands of dollars this way, and this is what you can do right now. So I would recommend this definitely for Fiverr, maybe iWriter, not for Text Broker. Text Broker really is looking for these high-end quality writers, but you can still do it. You know, if you're really gonna focus on just proofreading this text right here, you'll be absolutely fine. All right. And the other thing is that there are price differences between iWriter and Fiverr. So sometimes what you can do is just go to let's say you have a gig on Fiverr, you can go back to iWriter, hire someone to do the work for you, sell it for a higher price on Fiverr. So this way you'll be cashing in on the difference. So let's say someone hired you and paid you 30 bucks on Fiverr, you pay someone 15 bucks on iWriter, and you cash in on the difference, $15, without any work whatsoever apart of delivering the order, which is a click. All right. And the second hack I wanted to show you is actually with another piece of software. It's called Continue, and this is something that will do all the transcription for you. So, you know, a part of writing, you can also make money just transcribing. What you're gonna do is use Continue. All you have to do is copy and paste a URL of any YouTube video. So let me just do this right here for one of my last videos. You paste it in right here, you submit it, and what Continue does is it will bring, it will turn all the speech into text. So essentially you can charge money for just doing this. As you can see, all of the things that I said in the video are right in text right here. So you can go back to Fiverr and start a gig. As you can see, it says transcription here. So when you're gonna click on transcription, you know, people are charging $10, $36, $18, $13, or $27. So this is another way you can cash in super easily. Now you're gonna have to pay for Continue, but you're gonna make your money back with just one gig. So this is the second hack. So you know, if you are interested in doing transcription, you don't actually have to sit there and listen to the audio or video and type it in. This is a piece of software that will do it for you. So you know, it's just another amazing way of cashing in and making money for writing or for typing. You're not even typing, you're just copying and pasting a URL. All right. So guys, this is my video for today, and right now let's just see who won the $10 from my previous video. Okay, so this is my previous video right here. 3 ways to get paid by Walmart working from home. You can check it out as well. I'm gonna link to it as always. Let me just copy the URL and let's paste it in the YouTube random comment picker. Let's see how many comments. We have 48 comments, and right now we will start the raffle. We have everything for you, and this person left their PayPal email, so I'm gonna send them the $10 right now. If you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very important, so I actually know where to send the money to. Again, congratulations, I'm gonna send you the $10 right now. Okay, as you see, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations again. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10, and please check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the first link will take you to my top recommended resource for making money online, and it will make you hundreds of dollars per day as well. Check out all the free downloads and free signups as well. Follow me on Twitter, join my Facebook group, and if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment as well. Please also check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. Obviously, I'm always sharing a ton of stuff about making money online and working from home, not only from typing and writing, but a bunch of different ways. So check out all these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!